Hi there, Melody from WTI. And this water bottle from AVELORA is an essential product if you have pets in your home. I'm very impressed with the quality of this water bottle. It's easy to carry, it doesn't leak, it's made out of this really good food grade plastic, so it's also easy to clean, and it even goes in the dishwasher. Comes in different colors. I love how when you unlock it, you press this button here and the water will fill it up. And when you want to put the water back in, if it's not being used, you press the button again and it goes right back in here. And like I said, this does not leak. With the activated carbon filter element, it's going to filter all sorts of impurities. I love how the dog food container fits right in there, so it's a carry-all for everything that you need. And it also fits perfectly in the vehicles. So if you're looking for a portable water bottle, I love this one from AVELORA. And I think these pups love it so much, they need to get their own. So travel in style, make your life easier. Get yourself this portable water bottle and food feeder from AVELORA. That's my point of view.